Hi, I am Dionne with Short and Sweet Languages. I am a language teacher and I help you to start speaking conversational Spanish right away. So today's phrase that I will be teaching you is, what's your name? What's your name? Very useful phrase. In Spanish, you say, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Now, there is a formal way to ask. You would ask formally to an older person, but they need to be much older than you, or they're in a very respectable position, like a judge, or just in a professional setting, someone that has a higher position. You would say, or to your grandmother, somebody else's aunt, grandmother, somebody older, ¿Cómo se llama? So you, ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? So you change the te to se, and instead of llamas, you go llama. So the casual way that you will be using with almost anyone, you say, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay? And the formal way that you would rarely use, ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? Now, if they have just asked you what your name is, and you answer, me llamo, so somebody asked you, ¿Cómo te llamas? And you answer, me llamo, and your name, me llamo Dionne. And you would say, me llamo George, me llamo Mary, whatever your name is, okay? Now, and what if you want to ask, and you? My name is such and such, and you? So my name, me llamo Dionne. ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? That's and you. ¿Y tú? Okay. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Dionne. ¿Y tú? Got it? One more time. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Dionne. ¿Y tú? And you? Got it? All right, keep practicing these basic phrases. I have a few other videos of the basic phrases, of some more basic conversational phrases. And if you want to start learning a whole conversation, a very basic short conversation that you can have in Spanish, it can be your very first one. You would be saying, hi, my name is, your name. I am practicing my Spanish. Can I ask you a few questions? All that in a little short one PDF document conversation. I am giving that to you so you can download it. You just go to my website, but there's a link at the end of the video so you can get that. Okay, make sure you like the video, you subscribe, you do all the things, click on the bell so you can get more lessons, and you keep learning Spanish. I would appreciate that. Nos vemos. Bye.